What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. I hope all you guys are having a fantastic day. Call of Duty Cold War beta is finally live, and I've been testing out the new Razer Blackshark V2 Pro for you guys. Now yes, this headset is super similar to the V2 and the V2X that we reviewed here on the channel a couple of weeks ago. However, the main selling point of this new headset is that it is wireless. For design, it looks and feels exactly the same without the wire and the black accent color on the Y-shaped struts. It has the same breathable memory foam ear pads to match the bottom under padding of the headband. On the back of the left ear cup, you get your volume dial with a kink halfway to let you know when your volume is at 50%. The Razer logo itself is now glossy black instead of lime green with no RGB color options through the software. Aside from the volume dial, you get the rest of your controls along the bottom of the ear cup, which include a 3.5mm headphone jack and a 3.5mm port for the detachable microphone. You also get your power button that lights up blue when it is in use, along with the microphone USB port for charging and the microphone mute button. Getting to the microphone, it is slightly larger than the one you get on the V2 and the V2X versions, which now, according to Razer, has an upgraded 9.9mm hyper-clear super cardioid pickup pattern. It's definitely going to be interesting to test out the microphone on this headset in comparison, because the V2 and the V2X, if you remember, did a fantastic job of eliminating pretty much all the background noise with that microphone, especially keyboard clicking. Now, connectivity is super simple. You get your USB receiver that connects seamlessly to your PC that does provide that spatial THX audio processing when combined with the Razer Synapse software. Just make sure you understand that all of this does get thrown out of the window if you're trying to use it in wired mode without that USB receiver. The Synapse software itself provides all the same similar features and options that we're all used to. You get multiple presets with bass boost and voice clarity, all nicely tweaked to your preference with those equalization sliders. You can manually enable the THX for different games or let the software choose for you, while also allowing you to adjust that surround sound by moving the virtual speakers around your head in the software. Range on this headset is up to 40 feet, and the battery life now is advertised at up to 24 hours on a full charge, which in my testing turned out to be pretty accurate. Now, the headset is still super comfortable. However, I did notice some ear sweat after just a couple of hours of gaming with this headset, which really didn't surprise me because pretty much any headset that I test up here in the game room tends to get a bit sweaty because of how hot it gets in here. So make sure you guys take note of that. A few of you asked me in the previous videos, do I get ear sweat with these ear cups? Yes, but that's pretty much any headset that I test up here in the game room. Getting into performance, this headset sounded excellent with every game that I threw at it. However, with the Call of Duty beta live this weekend, that's what I've been primarily focused on. Explosions nearby and in the distance sounded amazing thanks to that extra deep, rich bass you get with this model. Gunfights were easy to pinpoint, and hearing footsteps has never made it easier to hear where your enemies were at and where they were headed when they were in close proximity. Mids, highs, and lows sounded great as well when listening to music and watching movies. However, since the ear cups really don't fold or bend, it makes it quite inconvenient to take them out on the road with you. Microphone quality. Now, I'm really interested to see how it sounds, since the Blackshark V2 and the V2X were probably the best microphones that I've heard on a gaming headset in that price point, aside from the SteelSeries Arctis V. Now, we are talking to you guys on the Rode NT1 up here in the studio, which is a soundproof room. Let's go ahead and switch over to the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro so you guys can see what that microphone quality sounds like in comparison. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro gaming headset. If you guys are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe, and only if you guys end up liking this video, please make sure you destroy that like button for me. Now, let's go ahead and compare the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro versus the Corsair Virtuoso and the Rode NT1 all at the same time. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Corsair Virtuoso gaming headset. This is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Rode NT1 studio microphone. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Corsair Virtuoso gaming headset. Once again, this is what the microphone quality sounds like on the Rode NT1 studio microphone. Now, this Rode NT1 microphone, yes, it is almost double the price, so don't take that as a serious comparison because this is a studio microphone specifically designed for this. Compare it to the Corsair Virtuoso a little bit more. But either way, let me know down below in the comment section which one of these you guys feel like sounded the best. Actually, which one sounded better, the Corsair Virtuoso or the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro? Now, the next test we're going to go ahead and do is we're going to see how much keyboard clicking the microphone picks up on the Razer Blackshark V2 Pro. If you guys remember, the V2X and the V2 did a fantastic job of eliminating pretty much all background noise, especially keyboard clicks. So let's go ahead and see how this one compares. Alright guys, so we're about 1.5 feet away from the keyboard. Let's see how much keyboard clicking it picks up.
Oh wow. So just like the V2 and the V2X, this microphone is not picking up any keyboard clicking unless I start talking and then the noise gate opens up. Obviously that's different. But in itself, it does a fantastic job. It's probably eliminating all the background noise in here, especially the keyboard clicking. So yeah, great. This is what it's going to sound like, whether you guys are talking to your friends in party chat, in Discord, or if you guys are using this microphone to stream and record on this headset.
Now, just like the V2 and the V2X, this headset is definitely fantastic. However, in my personal opinion, I don't feel like it's worth that $180 price tag. I mean, the ear cups don't swivel, and for $20 more, you can pick up the SteelSeries Arctis 9, which is more comfortable and has Bluetooth connectivity, or you can go ahead and pick up the Corsair Virtuoso, which is just as comfortable, but looks way better. It has RGB, and the ear cups fold and swivel, with an amazing microphone, all for $20 cheaper than this headset. I'm a Razer boy, you guys already know this. However, in my personal opinion, I'm just being honest with you guys, I don't feel like it's worth 180 bucks. I feel like you get much more value out of the Corsair Virtuoso or the SteelSeries Arctis 9. Now, Amazon links will be down below in the description for you guys. If you have any questions, comments, or concerns, whatever it is, make sure you go ahead and drop them down below in the comment section for me. If you are new to the channel, please make sure you subscribe. And if you did end up liking this video, please make sure you smash that like button for me. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace. Watch me come back in this game by myself and wreck. I just got dropped into this game. You guys saw that. The footsteps are loud as shit in this game.
Lockdown. Auxiliary inbound.
Oh, for
Enemy has
fuck's
A.
sake.
Taking Alpha.
Fuck off, dog.
Objective capture in progress. Bravo lockdown.
Get turned on, kid.
What? Huh?
Go, dog! Oh, booty, man! Well, this is a terrible spot to be in, I'll tell you that. Oh, get some, dog! Let's go!
This isn't working. We're behind.
Yeah, no shit! Booty cheeks over here.
Not.
Ah! Nade out! Run! Where am I getting clipped from, bro? Everywhere.
Auxiliary targeting detected.
Let's go, dog! Let's go!
Auxiliary inbound.
It don't matter.
Hostile artillery targeting.
He's on fire!
Incoming artillery. Hostile attack helicopter inbound.
Bro, I am absolutely just... Oh my god, bro. These kids are just... I told y'all this was gonna happen, man! What did I tell y'all, dude?